Hey guys, today I'm going to show you two methods on how to add fringe to your work. I will be adding fringe to a semicircle pattern, but this method will work for any design as long as there is a bit of empty space in between sections of the design. My design has a bit of empty space in between each diamond. If you like this semicircle pattern, please see the description for a link to my tutorial. Method 1 uses lark's head knots to attach your fringe. Cut 9 pieces of string, each piece is 9 inches long. Fold one piece in half and attach it to the space in between each diamond using a lark's head knot. I find it easiest to attach my fringe with a crochet hook. Bring the folded section in front of your work, thread it through to the back of your work, around the bottom of your work, and then pull the ends through the loop. Using the same method, attach 2 more pieces to the same section of your work. Repeat that process, attaching 3 pieces of string to the middle section and the right section of your work. Leave your fringe as is or brush it out. I'll show you how to brush it out after I show you the next method. Method 2 uses cowhitch knots to attach your fringe. We will use the same number of strings, 9 pieces, each piece is 9 inches long. Fold one piece in half and attach it to the space in between each diamond using a cowhitch knot. Bring the folded section behind your work, thread it through to the front of your work, and then pull the ends through the loop. The two methods are similar, but the difference is that this method hides the front of the loop on your fringe behind your work. Using the same method, attach 2 more pieces to the same section of your work. Repeat that process, attaching 3 pieces of string to the middle section and the right section of your work. I find it easiest to cut your fringe to a length that is just a bit longer than the length that you want your finished fringe to be. This will save you time when brushing out your string because there is less of it. Brush out your string and then give it a final cut. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be helpful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.